Hey guys, I got my bike going. I got a problem with it. It's whenever I'm going, I pull in the clutch, slow down, let go of the throttle. It kind of goes this vroom, 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 and then it kind of just slows down, and then goes to an idle. I'm gonna let you guys listen to it. I'm gonna have it in my pocket 'cause I can't really hold it in my hands. But listen to it and tell me what you guys think it might be.
Motorbike, 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 motorbike